What's up YouTube, it's your boy Justin back with another video today. Today I have a special unboxing video for y'all today. But before we jump into it, I need y'all to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment below what y'all think about the items I'm about to review. Don't forget to follow my TikTok and Instagram. But today's video is from Culture Kings. As y'all can see right here, they sent me over some items from Culture Kings. This is sponsored by them, so we're gonna dive into what they got. If you don't know what Culture Kings is, it is an online streetwear website store that sell a lot of streetwear items from clothing brands, from hats, shirts, shorts, pants, and shoes. So y'all definitely gonna check them out. I'm definitely gonna have the links to every item that I'm showing y'all in the description below. And we're gonna go over each item, everything like that. And at the end of the video, I will be trying them on and styling each item for y'all. So y'all let me know what y'all liking from or if you already shop from Culture Kings, what y'all like from this unboxing in the comments below. I ain't gonna do too much talking. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the items. Now they have a ton of hats. If you haven't seen their Instagram, check out their Instagram, check out the website. Everything will be in the description below. But if you haven't seen their store, they have a bunch of dope hats, like every style. Actually, the one I got on right here is from Culture King also. I know a lot of y'all asked me that, but I have picked up their new release right here. As y'all can see, the Atlanta Braves Snapback World Series, and it's more like a pastry type print around, but I think it's pretty dope. I love the color, the style of it. Y'all see the World Series on the side and Atlanta Braves. So this is a dope hat. I know some of y'all be talking about the snapbacks, but I like it. It even got that corduroy brim too. That's pretty dope. High quality, nice. They got every team and stuff like this. So y'all definitely should check them out. Of course, they be releasing all the time a new release of their hat. Next, we're gonna jump into the graphic tee I had got from them. I did get a size large right here, as y'all can see. We're gonna go ahead and dive into it. We do have the Carry brand. As y'all can see, Carry, size large. It's more like a jersey shirt. I love the color, love the print of it. I think it's pretty dope. $17.89 on the back, and you got the same logo on the back. Pretty high quality material, as y'all can see. Nice material to the shirt, and I think it's pretty dope. Size large, kind of got like an oversized fit to it. It's kind of like a jersey, I guess, style shirt to it, and I think it's pretty dope. I love that blue. So that's what we got right here is GOAT. Y'all know the GOAT brand they have on the website, which is pretty dope. They have a lot of graphic tees from them, the GOAT crew. And I love their shirts. They big, high quality, thick. I like their thick graphic tees. And I did get a size large in this one also. As y'all can see, got the Ghost Rider tee. You see, I love the print of that, the color. It's pretty dope. And of course, you got the Ghost Rider on the back. I don't know if y'all seen the movie, but the movie is dope. So you know I had to cop the tee. Yeah, it's pretty dope. I love it, love the color and everything. That's a dope t-shirt, dope graphic tee. I'll jump into the next one. Shirt I have is the Lottery brand t-shirts. I can see the logo on the front. It really stood about me on this graphic tee was the back print. And this is pretty dope. I am not what you made me. I think that's pretty dope. I like the big text on there. Kind of got like the different type of texture, but it's a definitely high quality graphic t-shirt. I like it. Like once it got size large, it got like a little boxy fit to it and oversized print, which I thought was pretty dope. They even got the logo right there on the edge of the shirt, which I think is pretty cool. So down there, we go to the next graphic tee. We got once again the Lottery brand. Y'all see the tiger print on there, as y'all can see, pretty dope. We also got their teeth and everything, like the city view on the back. This is real dope. I also like how it's like an acid wash, and they got like the kind of quality on around the neck. And I did get a size large in this also, but this is a dope t-shirt. A couple pair of shorts from Minimum. They do sell that on Culture Kings. Y'all can definitely check them out, but this is their brand, and this is from Culture Kings. And I got these like paint splatter Minimum shorts. I know they above the knees, but I think they pretty dope. I like the little paint splatter. They go all around the shorts. Very comfortable and very high quality. I did get a size medium in them, as y'all can see. So, and like I said, I will be trying all this stuff at the end of this video, so y'all can These are like the nylon type of, you know, fabrics. Y'all can see it's a different type of fabric. And I got size medium in these too. Got the long you know, drawstring on here. I think they're pretty dope. Perfect for the summer. Nice deep pockets. Love they shorts. I'm gonna do a video soon over this again, where to buy shorts at. And Memlum is like one of my top websites to get shorts. I love their quality and everything. Now we're gonna jump into their shoes. I did get 2 pair of shoes from Culture Kings. If you haven't noticed, they do drop shoes, latest sneaker shoes. We're gonna jump into these slides that I seen on there. That's pretty dope. I always wanted some. I did get a size 10 on them. Made for the human race. Y'all see right there. Logo on the box. Size 10 in them. And we're gonna jump right into the box. Open that latch up. As y'all can see, got these right here. Nice quality slides right here. As y'all can see, we're gonna take, as y'all can see, it's a nice slide. You know y'all like to, you know, throw on some clean, nice slides just to run to the store or something like that. These are pretty dope. Love the quality of them. Y'all see the design on them, kind of like how shooting stars on the design. They logo on the little belt lock right there. And y'all see the bottom of them. Yeah, there's some good chill shoes, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty dope. I like the style of them, so I know they're gonna be pretty comfortable and everything also. So pair of shoes, y'all already know. Big fan of New Balance. Y'all know New Balance is very, you know what I'm saying, popular and trending right now. So we do have the New Balance right here. I did get the, this is a size 10 I had got right here. It's the white and black. And these are the 550s, the 550 New Balance. So we'll go ahead and unbox these and show these. Pretty dope. Yeah, I see the 550s right there. Yeah, this is a nice little color. And I like how I got the, you know what I'm saying, this off-white bottom to it, kind of get like an aged look. Got the black and the New Balance 550. The gray right there. Yeah. I think it's pretty dope, a dope shoe. Y'all have, if y'all haven't seen my old videos on my New Balance 550, go check that out. I'm gonna put that link in the video also. But I'm gonna be doing a separate video of this, how to style these. So it's gonna be more outfits. In this video, I just show like, you know, on foot, and this part one outfit. But if you wanna see more outfits in the New Balance 550s, I got a video coming up. So that's all I have for the Culture King unboxing. Once again, website links to every item that I show y'all gonna be all in the description below. Check out Culture King's their website and their Instagram, and check them out. Copy some good gear. Thank y'all for viewing this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. I got short styling content on there also. Thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button if you're new. And I'm gonna see you on the next video. Check out the outfits. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Culture King items that I received in the comments below. And I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace. I'm out.
Everything's so fine. I just wanna feel. Let's dip up.